Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing us how to install a Wamp server on a PC. So you head on to your browser and you type in Wamp server and you go to the next information, rather the second information available there on SourceForge. You click on that uh, information there. It takes you to the website where you see the Wamp server and you click on download to download the Wamp server to your PC and check for these informations and click on download. So once you've clicked on download, just give it a little bit time, be patient with it, and in a short while to start downloading. So we'll just wait for it a bit to download, killing time with this. And you check your download button on your browser, you would see that it has started downloading. So our download is complete. And you go back to your PC and you see the file you just downloaded, which is the WAMP server. Right click, run as an administrator, or you can double click, depends on you, and wait for um, the file to run. And these are the options you will see. English, you select it. If you are the next option is French. If you are comfortable with French, you select that as well. Accept the agreement, done. Click on done. This folder, leave it as it is. It starts installing on your PC. It's going to take a while before it installs, but not that long. And once it's completed, or rather still in the process, and these options will start coming up. This small windows will start coming up one after the other. You click on what you're seeing on the screen. Yes, open, and so on and so forth until the installation has been completed. So once the installation is complete, you go back to your PC and you're going to run the Wamp server. And like this little window here says, be patient. You have to stay patient until it's you see service started. All attributes and services for the Wamp server has started now and they are all running. So you have to check to see the WAMP. Now it's going to, you see this little icon for the WAMP, it will be green to show you that it's running already on your PC. So now you can start the process. You can see start all services, stop all services, restart all services. And there's an option there for you to click directly to the local host. Remember, if you click on this local host, it will take you to Edge because we already chose it while we were installing. So I prefer to use my Chrome. So on the Chrome browser, you just type localhost slash, and when you type that, this window is going to pop up, and you see all the attributes of the Wamp server. To create a database, you have to go and click on PHP myadmin. So guys, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.